This video demonstrates how to download and load a Mobiflight profile and how to connect a ProDeskSim standalone device to the SIM MSFS or X-Plane. Visit ProDeskSim.com and click on Download. Using the link provided, download and install the Mobiflight app. Also use the ProDeskSim configurator to download the relevant Mobiflight profile for your device, aircraft, and SIM of choice. In this video, for example, we are going to show the ProDeskSim 737 compact overhead panel and PMDG 737 in MSFS 2024. Before opening Mobiflight, please make sure the device is connected to the PC. Make sure the SIM is not running and open the Mobiflight app. If you are running Microsoft Flight Simulator, in Mobiflight app, click on Extras, then click on Microsoft Flight Simulator, then click on Install WASM module. After doing this, click on File, then open and navigate to where you previously saved the relative Mobiflight configuration file. Open that file, and after opening, you may receive a warning window. If this happens, click on OK, then from the list choose the device, in our case PDS OVHD 1. Then from the drop-down below, choose the same device, PDS OVHD 1, that is connected to your PC. Before clicking on OK, make sure to click on Assign, then click on OK. At this time, you may start the SIM and wait for it to load. After loading the aircraft and being in flight in the Mobiflight app in the bottom bar, you should see two green check marks, one for the devices connected to your PC and another for SIM connection status. Once verified, click on Run, and the buttons on your ProDeskSim device should automatically be mapped to their appropriate functions. If you have more than one device connected that you'd like to map through Mobiflight, with one profile open in the Mobiflight app, click on File, then click on Merge, and this time select the appropriate profile for the second device connected.
Happy flying! And please email us at support@prodesksim.com if you have any questions.